What is an Amazon FBA prep center? How exactly can you use it in your own Amazon business? And how can you actually utilize a prep center to live that laptop lifestyle that everybody's talking so much about? What's up, guys? My name is Mike Sieben. Over the last 4 years, I've sold multiple seven figures on the Amazon platform. I've sold about 90% of the units that I do sell utilizing an Amazon FBA prep center. We've paid thousands of dollars in fees to our prep centers. We've used multiple prep centers. And so in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly what a prep center is, how you can effectively use them to help scale your business, and how exactly we use our prep centers to ensure that we don't have to touch, sniff, taste a single product that we sell on the platform. So let's talk a little bit about what an Amazon prep center is and what it can do for you. An Amazon prep center is essentially a third-party warehouse, meaning owned and operated by somebody else, that is going to charge you a small nominal fee, and they're going to fulfill and deal with all of your inventory. So whether you're selling on the Amazon platform through a method such as wholesale, maybe you're reselling products from online arbitrage or retail arbitrage, where you're getting them from retail stores, whatever the case may be, these prep centers are put into place such that you can send in all of your inventory from your supplier or from your store. They will deal with all of that inventory. They will label it, prep it, package it, and get it ready so that Amazon is happy when those packages show up at their facilities. You're gonna then ship your inventory from those prep centers into Amazon's warehouses, at which point they will be available for sale on your Amazon store so that your customers can start buying. Now, not all prep centers are made equal. And at the end of this video, if you stay to the end, I'm gonna give you a resource that we've used to effectively source high quality prep centers that can do all of this work for us. If you guys are liking this content so far, please make sure that you smash that like button. Helps out the channel more than you could know. If you want more content like this in the future, feel free to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you get notified every single time that I put out a new video. Now, as I mentioned, not all prep centers are actually created equal. Some prep centers will have better communication than others. Some prep centers are more expensive than others. And obviously the locations can vary depending on which prep center that you go to. So how do you navigate all of this? How do you choose the right prep center for you? Well, at the end of the day, it comes down to balance. And one thing that I've learned of using prep centers over the past 4 years is that you're going to have to make a few compromises, and you're going to want to not only just go after the cheapest price. So let me explain. What do I mean by that? At the end of the day, you're going to want a prep center that has good communication. They have a quick, fast turnaround. They're reasonably priced or average priced. And ultimately, they can prep, label, and fulfill all types of inventory. So no matter what you send in, they have you covered. Now, I have learned the hard way, and I have learned that the cheapest, least expensive prep center is probably going to leave you high and dry. We've had issues with some of the prep centers that we've trialed out. We initially went for them when we started our business or first started getting started in our business, and they absolutely did not pan out because they lacked speed, communication, or they lacked the ability to prep all the different items that we'd send in, or all of the above. So after testing and trialing about 3 to 6 different prep centers, we are now settled on the 2 different prep centers that we currently use. We have a prep center over in California who we've used for our entire journey up until now from when we first started. And then we also have a prep center on the East Coast so that we can have presence on both sides of the country down in the US. And so no matter where we're shipping products from which supplier, we're able to get our products there inexpensively, very quickly, so that they can turn these products around for us. Now, when you're first getting started, you absolutely do not need multiple prep centers. In fact, I recommend that you start with one prep center, and I would recommend interviewing and trialing a couple of the prep centers to figure out what's going to be a good fit for you. Again, you do want that healthy mix and balance between a good price, good communication, and quick turnaround times. Those are going to be your three factors and the three keys to success when choosing a prep center. Now that you've chosen a good prep center, it's time to start sending inventory in. So let's talk about the advantages of using a prep center versus sending products directly to Amazon, or maybe even sending products to yourself to have them fulfilled. So in my opinion, the best way is going to be that prep center. A prep center is a third-party professional business. This means that they are going to understand what all of the Amazon prep requirements are. If there's changes in the way that Amazon wants certain items labeled or prepped, they're going to be staying on top of that. That is the entire core of their business. Not only this, but they're able to scale with you, meaning they can handle a high volume of items above and beyond what you could ship to your own house, or maybe you're even thinking of getting a warehouse. A prep center can take away the headache, the overhead cost, and probably do things a lot quicker than you would be able to do in the beginning. A prep center is going to be your eyes and ears on all of your products. And so while you can save some money, some time by shipping products directly from your suppliers to Amazon, a third-party warehouse or prep center is going to have your best interest in mind. They're going to receive the goods. They're going to visually inspect them. They're going to have to pull out every single unit so that they can label them all before they send them in. So they are going to be able to let you know if items come damaged, if they short ship the items, if your suppliers don't send you enough. And they're going to ultimately make sure that they are in the exact condition that Amazon expects them when they land in their warehouses. And remember, if you send products in, whether it's you, your supplier, or your prep center, you are ultimately responsible for the condition and quantities of items that arrive at Amazon's warehouses. If you're shipping directly from your suppliers into Amazon, there's no second look at those items. So if there was an issue on those products going out the door, maybe an employee accidentally drove a forklift into some of the boxes, maybe a carrier damages some of the boxes, maybe they short ship you on 1 or 2 or 5 units. These types of things happen all the time. This business is being run by humans, and humans absolutely can make errors. And a prep center will be a middleman to make sure that none of these things happen. So for all those reasons, I would highly recommend, if you're looking to sell on Amazon, to get yourself a prep center that can take care of all of the physical hassle of the products that you're going to have to label and prep before they go into Amazon. Now, as promised, I do have a resource in which you can go check out right now. And I'm going to put it in the description below for you, where you can go see a list of dozens of vetted suppliers that will ultimately be able to help you in fulfilling your inventory and sending it over to Amazon. So hit that link below. Go check out the map that's going to list out all of these vetted and trusted suppliers. And so that's it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy the content, please make sure that you're smashing that like button. Make sure that you're subscribed if not already. As always, thanks so much for your time and attention, and we'll see you in the next video.